The ultimate Rsplusus free Robux scam or alleged tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you've been searching for free Robux online, most people get this wrong by trusting websites that promise unlimited rewards. The surprising truth about Rsplusus is that it claims to give free Robux, but it is widely reported as a scam designed to steal login information or lead to phishing attacks. First, understand the risks. You won't believe how many accounts get compromised when players enter passwords or personal information on unverified sites. Roblox official policy is clear: Robux can only be purchased through the official Roblox website, gift cards, or a Roblox premium subscription. Next, read user reviews carefully. Most people get this wrong by ignoring red flags in feedback. Scam sites often show fake testimonials or inconsistent details. Genuine reviews warn that Rsplusus is unsafe and unreliable. Never share your login credentials. The surprising truth is that no legitimate Roblox service will ask for your password to give free Robux, providing it can result in account theft and permanent loss of your items. Finally, stick to safe alternatives. You won't believe how many official Roblox events and gift card promotions exist to earn rewards legitimately. These verified channels are secure, protect your account, and provide a risk-free way to enjoy the game. In conclusion, Rsplusus is a scam that preys on players hoping for free Robux. By understanding the risks, checking reviews carefully, protecting your login, and using official channels, you can avoid scams and keep your Roblox experience safe. Always remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is.